Hello, my name is David Epperson, and I'm with Intrinsic Support. I'm going to be showing how to import drivers into your Swimage environment to be able to use them with deployments. Now, the tool that we use to do this is the Driver Interrogator. When we go to Tools and click on Driver Interrogator, the first time that you open this, it will prompt you with an ActiveX prompt allowing you to install the application, and then it will bring up the Swimage Driver Interrogator. Now, I've already extracted my drivers to a specific location. So all I have to do is paste that location in and click Search Directory. And there's only one driver in there, that's the network driver, which is the only driver that you should need for your WinPE CD. Now, some models require that you have storage drivers like SCSI and SATA drivers for newer hardware models that do not have drivers already baked into Windows 7, or really old machines that Windows 7 does not cover. So with the Driver Interrogator, we want to make sure that Add Drivers to WinPE is changed to x86 so that it goes into the WinPE media. And then we're going to add a prefix. This lets you organize your drivers a little bit better. That way, when you have 10 models that have 10 different drivers, instead of having to sort through 100 different driver types or 10 different machine hardware models to find the driver you're looking for, the prefix allows you to search with the prefix and be able to find the driver in question. So for this one, I'm going to say Octoplex 960, and this is a network driver. And then we're going to select the hardware. My hardware model is already in Swimage, so all I have to do is add it to the list. And then select the operating system, which is going to be Windows 7 32-bit. And then we would click Save Driver Set. Now, a lot of times what will happen is customers will add the driver to the WinPE and forget to associate it with the Windows operating system. So Swimage will boot to the machine, it'll drop the WIM, it'll install all of the temporary files, and then when it boots back into Windows, the driver is missing, and the Swimage conductor cannot finish the process of implementing all the applications and the user state migration data, etc., etc. So, to demonstrate this, I'm going to remove my operating system associations and click Save Driver Set. Now, when you do this, it will prompt you saying you have not selected an operating system and hardware to associate with these drivers. Do you want to continue without making this association? We're going to say yes, even though we should say no, and fix it. Alright, and we show that the driver was successfully interrogated, and we just click X and go to Computers, to the Driver Manager. Now I only have one driver in my environment, and as you can see, because when you add or remove a driver to your Swimage server, it's going to require that you update your Swimage distribution pack with your SCCM SMS Altiera server. Now, to fix the driver associations so that Windows can complete the installation after the WIM is dropped, I'm going to select the row that the driver is in, click on Associated Hardware, click Manage Associations, and then we're going to select the Operating System tab, which is going to be Windows 7 32-bit. Click Search, and then add the Dell Octoplex 960 to this list and hit OK. Now, it correctly displays that the driver is now associated with an operating system and a hardware model. And it will show all of the files associated with this. And that's how you import drivers into Swimage and fix driver associations if the associations are set up incorrectly.